Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I am unboxing the July 2025 Glossybox. I am so excited, you know, I love me a Glossybox, and today is actually my birthday. So I asked for some time alone. That is what I asked for, that is my birthday wish. I was like, can I just have some time alone? And I love having a toddler, but seriously, I just wanted some time alone. So here I am, I'm filming. I'm unboxing, so I'm kind of spending it with you rather than having it alone. Anyway, let's have a look at what's inside. So here it is. I have taken the address label off, but I have not peeked inside. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. It's a classic pink box this month. I don't know why, but I thought it was going to be a limited edition box. Do you ever just have in your mind that it's going to be a limited edition when it's not? Anyway, I really haven't seen what's inside, so let's do it together. Right, let's open her up. Ooh, there's some good stuff in here. I think I'm going to save best till last. But everything else I'm going to look at in no particular order. So first up, this is by Nails Inc. And this is their Nourishing Cuticle Oil. I'm pretty sure this is full size, and that is a lovely starter to the box. Because I don't know about you, but I always need cuticle oils because as I get older, my cuticles are looking less and less good. And next up we have this. These are by Bubble Tea Cosmetics, and they are brightening under eye masks. And is it just me, or do they look like rhubarb and custard? I will definitely be needing these because I am looking quite tired right now. Can you see? There it is. Looking tired. That's not even Mary's fault. That is not even having a toddler. That is just being a general insomniac. Side note, do you know how frustrating it is being the only person who has a toddler who sleeps through the night, but being a person with insomnia? Like, it's so frustrating. I cannot stress it enough. Like, she sleeps through the night. I do not. Anyway, there we go. I will look forward to these because I need all the help I can get. And then this is a brow pencil, and I cannot make out who it's by. Sugar Silk Beauty? Okay, that took me like 20 minutes to get it open. But I don't know who these guys are, but I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. There we go. That is the colour. I don't know if you can see. Should I try it on my brows? Look, you get a really good shot of my under eyes here. Yeah, I'm always keen for new brow products. So I'm gonna do this, but I can't do it. I can't do it on my phone screen. There's too much glare. How's that looking? I literally have no idea. Okay, I put it on both brows, and I think that's a really good match in terms of my brow colour. So I'm really pleased with that because not all brow products are a good colour for blonde people. So there we go. That is the next item, and I really like that. Never heard of the brand, but I'm liking it already. Next up, this is by Dr. Lip, and I thought I'd show it to you here so I can swatch this one as well. This is the Elderberry Tint, and this you can use on your lips or on your cheeks. And I love Dr. Lip because it is super hydrating. Let me give it a swatch for you. Like, that's so pretty. Like, it's perfect on your lips. And also you can use it on your cheeks, which I love doing, especially in the, I've put too much on, which I love doing, especially in the winter when my skin is a bit drier and my cheeks are like literally the driest part of my face. So having a kind of hydrating tinted balm with, like, I don't know, it just gives like a tint of colour, but also gives a bit of long lasting hydration. But that is the colour. I'm already wearing lipstick, but let's put a bit on anyway. But yeah, I love Dr. Lip. I always have one by the side of my bed because they're just the best. But I normally use the original, which is the clear one. But big fan, love this, perfect for the handbag. And then the final item is by Philip Kingsley. I love this man. His hair care is honestly the best. And this is a water-resistant mask, so perfect if you're going swimming for protecting your hair colour and generally your hair care. And actually, let me just show you something because I want to prove how much I love his hair care. I'm just in the shower, and this is what I'm using at the moment. This is the shampoo. I love this stuff. And here is the conditioner, and I don't know which range this is, the moisture balancing range. I honestly cannot say enough good things about his hair care. It is the best. So this is amazing. And this is perfect for if you're going on holiday or if you're a keen swimmer or anything like that. So yeah, that's amazing. This is probably my favorite thing in the box. And then I think actually the brow product is my second favorite. Then, cuticle oil or lip balm. That's tough. But then also the eye patches. This is a good box. I really like this box. What do you think of it? I think everything is really useful. Everything is stuff I want. Everything is things that I want to try over the summer. I mean, everything I'm going to use, and that's really cool. So I really like this box. What do you think? £10, well spent. Well, is it 10 or is it 12 now? Nah, I forget. It's around that ballpark. But anyway, what do you think? Do you like it? I really like this one. I think it's really, really good. And yeah, let me know what you think. Anyway, that's my video. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.